Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝐒𝐿 Beauty. Guys, I am actually about to head out and I decided to film this real quick. I have 5 NYX butter glosses that I want to try on. So 4 of them have color and then I have 1 clear butter gloss. And then we're using our regular NYX liner. This is actually an eyeliner, but I do like to use it for my lips because it is super pigmented. So this is currently my favorite lip liner. I'm only using 1 lip liner in this video to make this video sort of more seamless and easier to follow, and everything will be linked down below. You can get all of these items from Amazon or probably your beauty supply store as well. So let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So the first thing I do, of course, is to line my lips. Again, I'm using the NYX liner. This is an eyeliner. Color is brown. I'm gonna bring it up close so you can see. This is what it looks like. And then I also really like that you can kind of just twist it like this. I've had this for probably 3 years and there's literally so much left. So as you guys can see, I don't really like lining it too much. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. This is super pigmented, so you don't really need a lot of this. And I should have mentioned too, in order to make the lip combo more seamless, you wanna make sure your lips are actually moisturized. I did not apply any Vaseline or anything to my lips, but I normally would do that. Okay. So the first color I'm gonna try is this one. This is called Tiramisu. And this is, okay. As you can see, this is super pigmented. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay. I feel like I've completely blended out the liner. So I'm gonna go back with the liner and kind of just add a little bit more. You see how the liner just blends seamlessly? And then we are going to use our clear gloss. This is my first time using NYX's clear gloss. I normally just get the super affordable ones from the beauty supply store. This is called Sugar Glass. All right, you guys, so this was Tiramisu. I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you can see what this looks like. I just feel so girly with this, especially wearing the pink shirt as well. This really just gives off Barbie. Looks so good. So good. Like, I am in love with this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am gonna wipe this off real quick and then I will try on the next lip gloss. Okay, this looks good. Okay, so I think I am going to go in with a brown color. This one is called Butterscotch. All right, you guys. I also wanted to mention that you can mix and match all of these glosses. You don't have to just use one. Normally, I would definitely have used something pink, probably in the center, but for the sake of this video, because I want to make sure you guys get to see what these lip looks actually look like, I'm just gonna stick to one. And then now we're gonna go back in with our Sugar Glass Clear Gloss. This is the final look of Butterscotch. I am gonna come a little bit closer so you get to see what this one looks like. This looks so good. Like, this is the perfect nude. And I think adding the pink in the center would really just bring this look out even more. And I love that. I'm gonna go in with Vanilla Cream Pie. I'm super excited to see what this one's gonna look like. It is pink. Ooh. This is giving, I would need to mix it with something, but let's continue. It's actually super pigmented. I don't need a lot of this actually. I want to spread it all over, that's why I was doing that. I am going to go in with the lip liner, however. So I'm gonna put the liner on the areas that I want to cover the pink color. So here, and a little bit over here. I like when the bottom lip has the pink, but I add a little bit of brown to the sides, and only the sides actually. I've noticed what it does to me is it makes my lips look a little bit more plump and a little bit more shaped too. It gives it that structure. And so I'm gonna go back in with the clear gloss. Okay, I think this looks okay. I actually think this looks really good. It gives off that dramatic lip combo effect that I really like. There is like a really specific outfit I would wear with this lip combo, but this looks so good. I'm gonna come close so you can see what it looks like. So this is what it's giving. So I did add the brown all around the lip. And then I added a little bit extra on the sides. I always do that just right here on the corner. I don't put too much in the bottom because that makes your lips look smaller. I don't know how to explain it, but it really just makes my lips look more plump when it's just the brown in the corners and then the pink is like very, very concentrated at the bottom center. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, I honestly, so far, all of them get a 10 out of 10 from me. These all look so good. And yeah, super cute, you guys. Like, I don't have anything negative to say about this. So cute. All right, so we're gonna use the last one. The last one is called Eclair. So these were all more so leaning towards the pink color more than browns. If you want to see my other lip combo videos, just check out my channel. I have some where I'm showing a bunch of nudes or nude lip combos. But again, these would look so good with the brown. So if I added the brown in the base and then the pink in the center, this would look, guys, I'm telling you, this would look so good. It looks pretty similar to the previous one that I just tried on. Yeah, but these are actually super pigmented, as you can see. I'm literally trying my best to almost wipe away the color, but I'm gonna go in with the brown again in the corners of my lips, just so that it just looks more seamless. My lips right now are really kissable. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Sugar Glass again. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of turning color, but it's still giving clear. I kind of prefer the Clear Gloss from the Beauty Supply because those usually have some kind of oil. They usually have like vitamin E oil or just some kind of oil. And I feel like that oil kind of moisturizes my lips. I mean, they don't last regardless. Clear Gloss just generally doesn't really last. I don't know why. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last one, and this is my favorite one. I love this look. This looks so creamy. It just looks so subtle, and it's giving Barbie. I love this. Again, to get the full effect that I normally would go for, I would add the brown liner, and then I would add a sort of brown neutral gloss first, and then I would put the pink in the bottom, in the center of my bottom lip. But this is it, you guys. Super cute. Just gonna move a little bit back so you can get the entire look. Okay, this is what it looks like. Super cute. If you guys want me to do more of these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section, because I actually really enjoy doing lip videos. It's been a while since I've done these. I think it's about 2 years actually since I've done these, but I used to love doing these. And I still do. So I think this is the look I'm going to be going for. I am about to head out, and before I end the video, I have a quick little ad. I want to talk about Dossier Perfume today. I got these 2 perfumes from Dossier, and what I really love is that they are now on Amazon. So not only are they on Walmart, they're also on Amazon. So we're going to unbox each perfume at a time and see what I picked out. So again, the perfumes come in boxes. This is what the box usually looks like. And then it has all the notes of the scent. So this one is Fruity Gardenia. And again, if you know me, you know that I'm a huge scent fan, and I always go for the cleanest. Like the kind of perfume you would imagine a clean girl wearing is usually what I go for. This one, again, it's Fruity Gardenia. It has all the information right here. If you want to screenshot, whatever you want to do, I'm gonna just leave it here for a while. This one is inspired by Gucci's Flora Gorgeous Gardenia Eau de Perfume. It is 15% in concentration. The top notes are pear, red fruits, mandarin, and jasmine. You guys already know this is about to smell so good. So I am going to spray it on the card because I'm not really sure which one I'm wearing yet. So I don't want to spray it on my body, but this is giving grown. Like, this is giving real life grown, but not like grown Coco Chanel No. 5, not that kind of grown. I just don't like that scent. It's giving older woman, but this is giving, I'm 25, I'm going on a date with my man, my husband, you know, that kind of grown. This smells so good. And yeah, I can't wait to kind of mix and match with the scents. That's normally what I do. And then of course, I always do the oil or Vaseline method. Apply a little bit of oil first and then put the perfume on afterwards. So the next one, let's see what the next one is. The next one is Fruity Brown Sugar. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is what the perfume looks like. I forgot to show you guys what the bottles look like, but they come in just these tiny little glass bottles. This is the 50 ml, so make sure to check out for the size of the bottle you're getting when you do purchase. Some of them come in larger bottles too. So if it's a scent you're not really sure about, I would recommend getting a smaller bottle. And then if you do like it, you can just go back and purchase the bigger one. But always be safe than sorry. Okay, so this one is inspired by YSL Mon Paris Eau de Perfume. And this one's 18% concentration. So you already know it is about to light up the entire room. The top notes are bergamot, raspberry, pear. This one also has jasmine, and then brown sugar, of course, and a little bit of vanilla and orange blossom. You can only imagine what this smells like just by those top notes. So super excited. Let's go ahead and smell this one. It kind of smells like the other one actually. It might be because of the jasmine, but it's still giving grown and sexy, going out on a date with my husband. This smells so good, you guys. This is it. I know everybody always talks about ambery saffron when it comes to Dossier perfume, but to be honest with you, ambery saffron is great, but these are definitely unmatched. Okay, I would go get these continuously. Like, I'm gonna go back and get the bigger size bottles of those two. So with that being said, that is the end of this video. Everything will be linked down in the description box. Perfumes and glosses, as well as lip liner. Everything will be down in the links. If there's anything specific you want to see from me, let me know in the comment section. I love doing these videos for you guys. And this look is honestly giving. Like, guys, I just cannot get enough of this look. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you're seeing. And if you like the material, I will see you in my next video. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.